Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to explain you how to download and install Python. I know there are a lot of videos there on how to do this, but I just want to make one for myself so you can see it from me. As you may know, Anaconda is the most important distribution we have for Python right now, and it's a very simple way to use Python in your computer and for free. So, if you want to install Python from Anaconda, what you have to do is go to the web page anaconda.com. You will be presented with this web page, and in there you're gonna search here for this distribution on Python. So you have a lot of things here, and I'm gonna go here and see the individual edition. And when you click there, you're gonna go here to Python 3.7 version. Remember that Python 2.7 is now not supported anymore, and so you don't have to. You shouldn't be using that for your projects. But if you still want to install it, you can do it because there's a very simple way of doing it here. So you can choose from Windows, Mac, and Linux. Because I'm in a Mac, I'm gonna click here the Python 3.7 version, and I'm gonna install the Python 3.7 via the graphical installer. You click here, and you'll have the download. When you do that, you're gonna see that it's just a very simple process of installing. Is just click next, and that's it. Which is what you have to do. I'm not gonna show it here because I already have it installed, but it's a super simple thing to do. The other thing I want to show you is how you can use this. So if you're in a Mac, you can click command space. Command space, and you can search here for Anaconda Navigator. This is the same for Windows, and I think also for Linux. The only difference is the way you can find that application. So you wait for a moment, and this is gonna launch this like whole program that will allow you to enter different pieces that you have installed. So when you install Anaconda, you will be seeing Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and other things. To launch any of this, you just have to click the launch button here. Let me launch Jupyter Lab right now. And when I do this, it's gonna create a new instance of Jupyter Lab in my computer. And by default, this is in the 888 port in localhost, but you can change that without any problem. If you go here again and launch the notebook, you have to wait for a little moment. And it's also going to launch the notebook. There are different ways of interacting with Python in your computer, but both of them are perfect for doing data science. The last thing I want to show you here is, let me exit both of the scenes here. Let me exit here. So I'm gonna exit here right now, and I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna quick them, both of them. Click the navigator, and if you are from a terminal, you can open here your terminal. You can also launch it from here. You can say Jupyter Lab, and it's gonna launch a new instance of Jupyter Lab. Just wait for a little second until it goes there. If for some reason you're not redirected, you can click there, but it's gonna be just some seconds until you're there in the platform of Jupyter. So here we go. I'm gonna click here, exit. I'm gonna click Control C to exit the kernel, or Jupyter Notebook. So in here you have all of the things you want to use for Python, and it's just super simple to install and use, and that's just the way to do it. Thank you very much, and see you soon.